This is a crafting This is a cat. Her name is Cinder. She's also known as my Minecraft skin. Well, whatever, I wasn't gonna use it. She's also known as a cat. She's also known as a feline. She's also known as a lion. She's also known as a predator. A child predator. Whoa, you cannot be doing that. Oh, you don't? Oh, okay, we're good. She's also known as a cute, I don't really know, it's just a cute. She's also known as a stinky cat. I mean, She's also known as a stinky cat. You're pretty stinky. Not stinky. That's the wrong foot. She's also known as a foot fan. Oi, mate! You wanna fight? Oi, you wanna fight? Oh, yes! Oi, mate! Come on, me, bro. Come on. She's also known as very hostile and a very hostile entity that will kill you if she sees you. You gonna bite me? Never mind. She's also known as very petable. That doesn't make any sense, actually. She's also known as Patrick the Star. She's also known as Squidward Tentacles. She's also known as I don't know why I'm just listing off SpongeBob characters now. She's also known as a laptop. And that's okay. She's also known as an alien. An alien cat. You know what else is an alien cat? She's also known as #1 BFDI fan, even though she hasn't seen a single episode in her entire life. I just made that one up. I made that one up, guys. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. But what she's most known for is absolutely nothing, because all the videos that she's in is privated. I think I actually not really that sure. Oh, she's also known as the OJ co-host. Look at this. Look at these battle wounds right here. Me and Cinder have been battling from the. Me and Cinder have been battling to the death right now, bro. Look at these. Look at that. Okay, that one's actually pretty old. Also, this camera quality is actual like crap. Ain't that right? This one even got more. Yo, what the shit? Sorry, guys. Sorry for my foul language. I did not mean to do that. I made severe and continuous lapse in my judgment. Anyways, I'm pretty sure this video is already a way better introducing video than my last one, which was like the first day I got Cinder. Alright, Cinder. Say your final goodbyes. Because I will be killing you tonight and eating you and consuming you for breakfast.